What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Sunday dinner the cheapo, easy way. So, let's be on our way, shall we? Indeed. That's right, baby. The cheap, easy Sunday dinner. And you're saying to yourself, like, oh, Sunday dinner, isn't that a little vague there, buddy boy? Well, not really, because I kind of got it all tied down today. You see, this is basically what I'm making for my Sunday dinner, and it's going to be a good one for you too. Now, we got to get started to get it done, because you know that Sunday dinner is a staple of the week, baby. It's something you look forward to. Get that good Sunday dinner in you, and you can start off Monday big and strong like Yokozuna. So, first thing that we need for my Sunday dinner, a little bit of that yard bird, that yard pig. I'm talking about these chicken leg quarters, and you're saying to yourself, like, I want chicken leg quarters again, man. Aren't you getting tired of those things? Hell yes, but for the money I got and the price they are, I just have to keep going with them, you know. Like I said, these things, you know, they turned out to be about $6 for a 10-pound bag. You can't beat that. It's like Michael Jackson not being in Thriller. You can't beat it. So, we go ahead and take our chicken, and first thing I'm going to do, put it down in that flour. And I'm not talking about flour power either, you old hippie. I'm talking about just some regular white flour. And you know, you could get egg wash, you could get milk, and you could make a little bath for it. But you know me, baby, I ain't got time for that shit, and I ain't buying no milk and eggs just to do this shit. I can just put the flour on there just like this. You just take a big old handful and coat it good. Then I want you to get that skillet and get it hot to try, buddy boy, just like me. And we're gonna put some oil in there, sir. And let that oil get very, very hot. Now, put your chicken in the hot oil, and you're going to let it sit there for a good amount of time. Now, you're saying, like, oh, how long is a good amount of time? Well, what I did is I went ahead and started cutting up my potatoes. Today, I got these little cute potatoes. Aren't they just precious? They're adorable, sir, just like me. Now, we're going to take those potatoes and cut them up, and there again, you know, I had these at the house, but you know, a bag of potatoes, $3 or $4. Not too expensive, buddy, and always good. So, go ahead and take your potatoes, cut them up. I just cut these little babies in half, my Rugrats, and went ahead and put them in the thing, and also cut up a yellow onion just for that good flavor, and put it in there too. Now, about the time that you get your potatoes cut, you can go ahead and flip that chicken. Now, here's the thing, my secret to chicken. Don't flip a lot. We don't want to we don't want a lot of flipper in there, you know. We want to, don't be flipping and flopping. Flipper. So, we want to go ahead and flip it one time, and then take the flour and let it sit on the other end. And like I say, you can be tempted to flip it. Don't be flipping flipper, because if you cook this chicken right and you give it to somebody that you love tonight, might be not flipper but free willy later, if you know what I'm talking about. So, flip that over, and like we do with everything else, what we gonna do, baby? Salt and pepper just for flavor to make it good. So, salt and pepper that chicken, flip it over, and I would say, you know, once every 5 minutes or so, just kind of peek and check, and just flip as you feel is right, sir. So, once you get a good golden brown crust on there, take your chicken buddies out and set them to the side. Say, I'll see you in a minute, buddies. And then, we're going to go ahead and take our potatoes, and we're going to flop them down in the same old oil as we had the chicken in. You're saying, like, oh, shouldn't you change your oil out? Isn't that kind of gross? No, it ain't, because you're going to get that good chicken flavor on your potatoes, and we ain't wasting oil. See, like I say, we ain't got a lot of money. We ain't spending no money on no damn oil if we don't have to. Let's reuse and recycle there, sir. So, went ahead and do that. Let those potatoes cook, salt and pepper for flavor, and when they get good and crispy, and you can stick your fork down in there and they soft, kind of like me and the old Pillsbury Doughboy's belly, it's time to take them out. Now, we got our chicken done, we've got our potatoes done. I'm gonna go ahead and take some green beans, throw them in the bowl, put them in the microwave, and about that time, it's gonna be time for us to have a sight and a big old beautiful bite of my lovely Sunday dinner tonight, sir. And I'm damn ready for it too. Ew! Alright, baby, the time has come. The Sunday dinner is done, and I'm having that first bite for me. You're saying, like, oh, I saw that plate, where's it at now? I ain't telling, but I'm going to go back for a little more bitey. So, excuse me. Oh my God. About took the whole pig with me, man. I'm greasy. But so good, man. You know, just tastes like home, man. It's good. Fried chicken, fried potatoes, heart attack waiting to happen. Don't care. We'll die fat and happy, boy. And I want to thank y'all for stopping by and seeing my fat happy ass again. For another episode of Cooking with Black Hawk. Make sure that you like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy your Sunday yummies. And I'll see you next time. Now, Mr. Chicken, me and you got some talking to do, some kissing to do.